Well, hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to learn about abstract keyword in Kotlin. So basically, there are abstract classes and abstract methods in Kotlin, or I am not in a Kotlin particularly. This concept is for object-oriented programming, right? So basically, abstract classes contains variables and methods that we can use in another classes, right? So let's just create an abstract class. To create that, we have to write abstract keyword, abstract, then class, and I'm gonna name it dog. Then I'm gonna create a method inside it, and I'll let's just create a function, wiggle tail, and as a function body I'm gonna print I am happy. So I am wiggling my tail. So now as this is an abstract class, if we want to access this function, we have to create an instance, right? Normally if we want to access a function of a class, we would create an instance of this class of that class. So let's try to create an instance of this class, and if we create an instance, it will straight away give us an error, because we cannot create an instance of an abstract class. If this wasn't an abstract class, then there wasn't an issue, but this is an abstract class. So now the question is, how would we access this function? So to do that, we'll have to create another class. Class, I'm just gonna name it another class. Why not? Another class. And now we'll have to, now we'll have to uh, extend from the dog class. So dog here, and inside which we will no, we don't actually have to do anything. Now we can create an instance of another class, and we can access the method of wiggle tail because we are extending a dog class here. So an dot wiggle tail. So now let's run our program and see if this message is printing on the console or not. Yes, I'm happy as I'm wiggling my tail. So that's how you access the functions here from an abstract class. uh, Now let's talk about abstract methods. Basically, abstract methods doesn't have the function body. So let's create a method. I would name it bark, because dogs bark, and it will not have a function body. And because we don't want to provide a function body, we'll have to write abstract before this. So yeah, it will now not allow us to create a function body, right? So now why we need abstract methods? So suppose there are multiple classes that has the same that we want the same functionality, let's suppose instead of park I would name it eat. So there is a class named cat, a horse, and one with cow, and all these animals have one functionality in common, that is eat, right? So to give them basically, let me just now go here and show what this error means. Now it says that we have to uh, let's just, I can find the word. How can I say it? I have to implement the members of this class that are abstracts. It's fine if we don't implement this wiggle tail method by default, but uh, each of the abstract functions or abstract variables that this class has will have to implement that compulsory if we are extending this class from somewhere, right? So to implement, just press control I on your keyboard, and straight away it gives you the shortcut to implement method. So in this I'll just print line I want chicken. So now we can access eat method from that as well. So this is abstract function, and yeah, basically there's you can do this with interface as well. So yeah, in the next video I'll tell you what the main difference is between an abstract and abstract class and interface. So I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll talk about interface.